guys, today we'll be making a quick and easy balloon arch. What you will need: I have a balloon kit that has several different sizes and colors of balloons, small ones, large ones, confetti filled ones, and sometimes I stick with only the balloons in the kit, and sometimes I do add in additional balloons, whatever additional colors or sizes you prefer. Balloon ribbon, glue dots, a balloon strip, scissors, and a balloon pump. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to start by inflating my balloons and tying them individually. Since I'm using the balloon strip, I am going to tie the balloons individually. If I were using the balloon ribbon, then I would tie two balloons together. And I'm going to get them all inflated. That's what it looks like. I like to get them all inflated, or at least most of them inflated, so then when I start placing it on my strip, it goes really quickly. So I have my strip here, and there's a small hole and a larger hole. So insert the balloon knot into the larger hole and slide it over to lock it into place in the smaller hole. And that's just going to make it feel really nice and secure. So you just want to make sure you insert it in the larger hole with the entire knot inside the hole and slide it over and lock it into place with the smaller hole. And then it gives you a nice sturdy feel. And I like to alternate top and bottom. I don't place all of the balloons on one side of the strip. I feel like it makes a nicer balloon arch if I alternate one side and then the other side for each balloon. And it just helps the balloons to come together a little bit better. So as you can see, I've added a few balloons. It looks so cute and precious already. Sometimes I use the strip. Sometimes I don't. It just depends on personal preference. I like both methods for different reasons, and but I also like using the balloon ribbon. I will link videos showing you that method in the description box down below. You can choose whichever method works best for you. So I'm going to continue getting my balloons placed on my strip. Again, placing in the larger hole, sliding to the smaller hole, and locking it into place to make sure it's nice and secure. And I'm alternating the sides. So I'm just going back and forth, back and forth. As you can see, I'm still working and everything's coming along well. It's looking so cute and precious. I'm just alternating what colors I add. I'm not going with a certain pattern. I just kind of look at it and see what I think will look good together. But it's looking so cute and precious already, and it's not taking a long time at all, so that's really awesome. All right, I'm going to continue working. So this is what it's looking like. Alright, so I do have some smaller 5-inch balloons, and I'm going to use the balloon glue to attach those to my balloon arch. But first, I want to get my arch in place on my backdrop stand. So what I like to do is take some of the balloon ribbon and wrap it around my arch, and then tie it in a couple of knots loosely to make it like a hook. That way you can hook it onto your backdrop stand, you can hook it onto the wall, or wherever you need it to go. I do that in a couple of places, just depending on how long my arch is, but at least 2 or 3 places so that I can get it nice and secured. And now I have it all secured in place. And I'm going to take my small 5-inch balloons, use some balloon glue, and attach it to any empty spaces I have in my balloon arch. Now I have another video showing you how you can make balloon clusters with the smaller 5-inch balloons and attach multiple balloons at one time. I will link that video in the description box down below. That is another option if you want clusters of them. Sometimes I do make clusters and sometimes I separate them out. Again, it's just personal preference and what look you're going for. And it looks so cute and precious. You can definitely go with more, less, whatever you prefer. I've done multiple balloon arches in different styles, and they all look different, but they all look great. So check out the description box down below. You can choose whatever style you like the best. But you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.